This is just a little store-bought barbecue sauce.
Thank you for using Rachael Ray's store-bought barbecue sauce.
Only the best. A little bit of maple syrup has a
Real maple syrup.
Real maple syrup, a nice like depth of flavor.
Yep.
A little bit of salt, some smoked paprika gives it that nice smoky flavor like barbecue has.
Smoked paprika, delicious.
Right?
So you're making a smoked paprika maple barbecue glaze for your corn.
Right, exactly. It's the truth.
I love
it's
you
the
so
truth.
much. Can I get you corn?
Oh yeah, give me some corn, put it down onto this plate.
Okie
Just
doke.
like that.
Oh, I love this
And
presentation,
then-
Grant, where you put it on beautiful blades of chive. Gorgeous.
It looks like summertime, right? And then you just
Slather.
it.
Oh.
And we're not done yet. I'm gonna add a little bit of chive. Now, nice way to cut chives in your garnishing. I just like to do it with some kitchen shears, just like that.
Adorable. Kitchen snippers.
Just like you're giving them a little haircut.
A little haircut.
And then, let's crunchify it.
Oh my
right?
God, fried
A little bit,
onions.
some fried onions down over the top. Crunchy, sticky, sweet barbecue corn.
Crunchy, sticky, sweet, dig it.